In 1821, a Cherokee named Sequoyah revealed his life's work, the Cherokee syllabary, sometimes called the Cherokee alphabet. By 1830, more than 60% of Cherokees could read and write in Cherokee syllabary. In 1828, the first printing press designed to use the syllabary was assembled in the former capital of the Cherokee Nation in New Echota, Georgia. The printing press was used to create the Cherokee Phoenix, the first national bilingual newspaper, publishing its first edition on February 21, 1828. Beyond news, the Cherokee Phoenix published features, accounts of Cherokees living elsewhere, reports about other area tribes, and social and religious activities. In the 1830s, the newspaper's editor, Elias Boudinot, and principal chief John Ross used the Cherokee Phoenix to editorialize against the Indian Removal Act of 1830 and the growing encroachment by settlers. During the political unrest in 1834, the printing press was destroyed and the newspaper office burned. It wasn't until 1844, in what is now Tahlequah, Oklahoma, that another Cherokee printing press was created, printing a new newspaper called the Cherokee Advocate. In 2000, the newspaper's name returned to the Cherokee Phoenix, which is still printed in both Cherokee and English.